In the C5 house, the user's choices and preferences configure the personality and functionality of this home. The main residents, a 9-year-old girl and a 6-year-old boy, when asked what they would like the new house, were quick to say, "We want a garden to play with." After living in a small apartment in the city center, they were looking forward to the move. The residence with just over 200 square meters of single-story house offers translated spaces for children and their leisure and study activities and planned environments with priority in family activities. On the main FADE, the carport acts as a covered playground for rainy days. The lake access balcony, located at the back of the house, is a favorite place for water games. The integration between the environments occurs through the living, acting as an articulating element between the open spaces and the edges. The floor plan consists of 2 blocks, the open, high-ceilinged living room of 4-5 meters wide and integrated, and the more compartmentalized intimate bedroom sector. Dormitories are small. The 2 brothers share the same bathroom, which is between the bedrooms, which in many places is called the American suite. The service area has been placed between the dormitories for convenience and functionality. A brick wall that does not touch the ceiling delimits the 2 blocks, creating movement and privacy for the dormitories, as well as lighting and ventilation for the transition area of the rooms. The uniqueness of this element is given by the present materiality. The formal solution is simple and reflects the internal spatial organization, a white rectangular prism that corresponds to the social area, added to the lower block corresponding to the intimate area.